that shape? It looks so pretty.
Yeah, it does look good.
You.
I would not.
I'm gonna cry.
Why? It's rose. Rosé. It's squishy.
I don't remember. Welcome back to my channel and happy Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
So we're under the tree as you can see and we're opening our gifts. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay. Aww, this is so pretty. Look at this. Oh, wait, this is so pretty. Look, does it look so pretty?
Yeah, it does look good.
What? Is it eye mask?
I don't know. Santa got it, babe. I have no idea what is in there. You do good on that one. Because it's squishy. Yeah, it covers the
That's insane.
the whole head. So it's eyes and like your whole. So you can cool it and you can heat it.
That's so cool.
I think you can cool it at least. Yeah. So yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, 400 little things.
Oh.
Cute stuff.
I'll give you mine.
Okay. Ooh. Oh, nice.
Yeah. It's so small.
Well, expansion pack typically means like you have the game, and then this is like more cards. Okay. Which one of us would send a dish back at a restaurant? 3, 2, 1.
You.
I would not.
I don't even talk to a waitress.
Yeah, I guess I feel you. You be not even ordering for yourself. So I guess me, but I feel like neither of us would. But
Yeah. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm excited to play. Yeah.
I know. What do you think this is?
I have no idea. It's like softer up here, but really hard here. But it's softer in the middle. It's some kind of candy, bro.
Open it.
Right? Is it wine or something? Ooh. Rosé. Top 100.
I know.
We'll see. Is this the one you were excited to try?
I don't remember. It's too more well. No way.
What?
You have a bracelet?
I got you 2 bracelets.
I'm gonna cry.
Why?
Because I
It's
don't know.
it's so little, right?
It's pretty though.
Yeah, it's pretty. But in the light, it looks good. I feel like that might not pick it up.
Yeah. It's so pretty.
Looks good.
So
Yeah.
pretty. Thank you.
Go like this. Does it stay on okay? Yeah, this is a good. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. But yeah.
So pretty. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
So what do you think it is?
A speaker.
Speaker in this shape?
I don't know, babe. Oh! Oh, it's so nice.
Be careful.
Yeah, it's not that.
Sharp.
Yeah, like
Oh.
I can tell. No, I can tell it's a lot sharper than mine.
Okay, good.
But it could.
You're scaring me.
It's electronic. It's heated too, did you know?
I know.
Oh,
Isn't it so cool?
yeah, I want to see it though.
So, yeah.
I want to try it. It's not bad.
It's not that good either.
Is there a power button? Hit the power button. Hit it again. Oh my gosh, babe. Shihatsu.
Last one. My gifts are awful.
No, they weren't. They were so good, babe. Don't say that one more time. They were really good. I'm so excited.
Me too.
And since It Takes Two is so good, like we saw the one that was super.
It Takes Two was another gift.
Yeah, well, yeah, and it's so much fun. And like I said, since It Takes Two is so fun, the co-op games, when they're cheap here, you can get them
No
here.
way.
Yeah, and it comes with Mario Kart. Mario Kart. So love you. Yeah, you're welcome, babe.
Oh my gosh. In US, please.
English. Yes. Success.
Oh, I don't know.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
Shout for the start.
Let's go.
We dropped it. I hope it's good.
It's gonna be.
Okay. Let's do it.
Okay. Oh no!
Okay. 1 house, 2 house, 3 house, 4 house. Don't put too much. That's perfect, I think.
Hold it for 2 minutes.
7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15.
18, 19, 20. Sorry about that.
Let's eat it.
Oh my gosh. Last one. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'm pretty impressed how good these looks. We were pretty tired decorating all this and building a village, so I think we're going to bed. But thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you so soon in the next video.